Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana and today I am going to be showing you a little haul that I got for my cash envelopes and sinking funds that I will be starting soon. So I've decided to start doing this only because I know that sometimes I do give myself buffers. I always round up with my budget and stuff like that, but I've decided that basically it might be a little bit better if I deal in cash, only because I really am trying to save, and so I want to know exactly where every penny is going. And so I always have a little change jar full of stuff, but this is awesome because I'll go ahead and cash this in one day and then I'll have even more money. But I'm also trying to spend less, so I feel like if I can deal with cash, then maybe I'll be able to save a little bit more. I'm always on budget. I do sometimes go over, but for the most part I'm always on budget. I need to figure out how to tighten it a little bit, and I would love to see my savings kind of build up. And so I know a lot of people are like, you should keep the money in the bank and then get interest and all that other stuff, but does not mean that it's always going to work that way. So right now I have this little flower. I see people and they have the cutest setups and this is always there, but I feel like it's not really noticeable. But that's what that is back there. So go ahead and like my video and comment what you would actually buy for your sinking funds. I see a lot of SD shops, a lot of budgeting videos, and they always have their own little merch, and I'm thinking about buying some. I just gotta save for some. Alright, so without further ado, this is the first thing that I picked up. I picked up some ruled index cards. They are in different colors, and I was able to start filling them out. There's a reason why I got these little markers. They actually smell really good, but I started to use them because I wanted to start writing on them. So I have different categories, like college for my kids, which I have a 17-year-old. I should probably start saving for college. I'm trying to get into nursing school, so I am working on or with someone to get in for the fall to finish out my last couple of prereqs before I can apply. I really want to go to Tokyo Disney, but there's a whole bunch of stuff, different colors, tattoos, school, pets. I have different categories that I laid out as well, but these are going to be my sinking funds, different categories, different levels of saving. Okay, the next thing I got, this one was actually from the Dollar Tree. Didn't even opened it yet, but it's just a basic piece of paper, and I'm gonna start trying to kind of budget. I've seen a lot of people do it on an iPad or some kind of tablet, but to be honest with you, my tablet is a whole bunch of years old, and so I don't actually use it. Let me do it this way. I don't really use it anymore, but with me, I'm okay with writing everything on a piece of paper, and so I thought that this would just be good for me to kind of keep track of stuff. Oops, it was backwards. Take that off. This is from the Dollar Tree. Isn't that cute? It's the little things in life. Okay, the next thing that I got was from Hobby Lobby. So Hobby Lobby actually had these. It's $19.99, but I went on there when it was on sale. So this is the rose gold color. It looks more gold though. I was kind of hoping that it would be more pinkish, but it is kind of more gold. But I'm going to be starting to use this. It's cute though. Let's see, from Hobby Lobby, I also, if you watch my budgeting video, you would see these because I felt like I needed to have these. I'm not really sure why, but they're little sloths. I don't know if you could see that. Hey, look, I can see me on my camera, but they're little sloths, and I love sloths. They're my favorite animal actually. Let's see, and I also got these. These are just paper. I love the galaxy look. So I just got some paper so I could try to make some envelopes. And these right here are 59 cents, but a lot of times you could totally get them like 4 for $1. And then from Target, the fanciest of the fancy. Actually, nope, these are from Walmart, so I'm not super fancy yet. These ones were from Walmart, and I think they were under $5, but they're just like little pens, so I can write little notes or whatever. I got these before I found these. These are smelly good. These are from Target, like I already showed you, in different colors. But I got these as well. This one also is from Walmart. It's just little tabs in case I need them for anything. Like maybe to set a goal or just to label something. But I thought those were cute. A lot of times I don't really know why they have or what you're supposed to do with some of the little stickers that they sell. Because some of them is like meant for budgeting, but I wouldn't use any of that. It's like Tuesday. Like, why do I need a sticker that says Tuesday? I'm not that organized, I guess, where I don't have to label every single day. But I thought those were really cute. I got this. Now, this is a crazy story, because this is how much I pay attention. So I got this, and I think it was like $5 or something. And I honestly, when I seen this, I was like, oh, I don't like that. And then I looked through the packaging, and then I seen one that just said this on there, and it was just like plain. And so it wasn't until I got home that my dumbass realized that I never turned on the back to see what it actually looked like. So, I mean, it's not bad. I think it's kind of cute. That's how observant I am, that I was like, oh, let me just get the regular pink one instead of like the one with the llama on it. But it's cute though. It does have like a pink theme going on. I also got this in the travel section. Now I thought this was like really pretty. And it's actually a makeup bag. But I think that it would be really cute to either keep in my car or, you know, just throw it into a purse whenever I need to, or I can even just keep it for my markers or whatever. That's probably what I'm going to keep the pink one for. Now let me finish with Walmart. So I did get these little laminators so I can make my own little envelope. And I got, can you see this? Like, you're so close. And I got this as well, a little laminator. Now this one was like $17-20, something like that. But I'm gonna try to do this whenever I get time. Today my birthday party. It's my son's birthday, guys. He's gonna be 17, so I don't have time to do it today, but hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to do that. Now from the Dollar Tree, I got some of these bags. This one right here says Shine Bright. It's just super simple pouch. So I got that one. I got this one. It's purple. It's the same. What's it down here? Just regular pouch. Put some stuff in it. I mean, you can't really go wrong with pouches, right? I got this so I can decorate. Just some diamond wrap to decorate. Some blue diamond wrap. And then I got these. I actually really like these. I think they're really cute. I'm not really fancy, but I just really actually like these. They're like holographic. I just thought they were really cute. I'm gonna try, because as you know, I've been using this for my sinking funds right now because I want to be able to get away with it. You know what though? No, to be honest with you, I just wanted to start. And I told myself, like, if you don't start, then why are you going to wait and, like, spend all of this money that you don't really have on something that you don't know if you're going to do? So I did start it. I've been using this. This was from the Dollar Tree, and it's just like a photo album. And I just put money in it and wrote on a piece of paper what it was for. It's super simple, so you don't have to have all this set up. But from Amazon, they finally came. Like, should I do an unboxing? Amazon, it is your crap that you ordered. Should be their song, huh? Left it on the wrong doorstep because we thought your neighbor wanted it instead of you. Every single time I order from Amazon, they give it to my neighbors. I'm like, can you, like, not give my stuff to them? Like, what if I was buying, like, $100 sneakers or, I don't even know, inappropriate things? What if I was buying Bridgerton books? I don't know. But they give everything to my neighbors, and it's just, it's insane. I'm like, I don't live there, and you can't take a picture of your house to like put it on their website, so I give them clear directions and they still just don't even read the directions and throw it on my neighbor's porch. So I got some Sharpies. Actually, I needed this for to finish one of the projects that I was doing in my house. And I got these little books. Now these right here were like 2 for $10. These are just the regular file books. I ordered these and then I seen that gold one and I was like, okay, well I have different categories, so I think that's gonna work pretty good. I'm not actually trying to get this open. Super loud. Hold on. But oh, it's like those little jelly shoes. Remember those? When you're a kid, you have like the jellies. That it feels like. But this one is the gray or the black, and then this one is just clear. And that would be my kid.
Good day there, fleshy mammals.
Good day there, fleshy mammal.
Good day there, fleshy mammals.
I'm filming a video.
I'm here to commandeer your Hershey's milk chocolate eggs.
You're stealing my Easter candy that goes in your Easter basket?
Yep.
Okay.
300 I keep. To prove that I'm smart, I say big word.
Okay.
I say commandeer.
Okay.
Big word.
So, happy birthday to him. So this is going to be the last thing that I did buy. So this one right here is, I bought 2 of them. They come 12 for like $7.99, I believe. And they're just the regular pouch. And it goes right into here. So the way that I'm doing it is I'm going to have different binders for different savings goals. So some of them are going to be fun things. Some of them are like personal things that I definitely have to save for. And then things like future stuff. Like I want to save for a down payment on a house. Or I want to start saving for retirement. Or I got to figure out how I'm going to get my kids through college. Especially one of them is going to be a senior. So I have a lot of saving goals, and with everything that's going on right now and the stimulus checks and just everything that's happening, the demand even at my job where they're extending hours for us and stuff, I should have a good amount to save this year as long as I pinch those pennies and I stay to a very strict budget still. So I just look how good that fits in there, guys. I got 2 of these. So that is going to be every single thing that he keeps talking. Okay, so that is going to be everything that I got from my little haul. So I went to the most common places to get these: Dollar Tree, Target, Walmart, and Amazon. So you could definitely find these online or in the store. And I spent not really that much. I think the most expensive thing that I bought was the laminator, but it was something that I felt that I should have right now and for future projects. It's not like I went out and bought a Cricut, because those are like a lot. A lot. I can't really afford those right now, but I think that all of this is affordable. So if you see something that you definitely would use, go ahead and comment below. And what did you find that you needed to do your cash envelopes? So I have been looking for a cash a cash tray. I've been looking for the cash tray everywhere, and I see all these YouTubers, and like I'm so jealous of their setup because they have like these clear ones or like rose gold ones or really pretty ones, and I cannot seem to find any anywhere. So I might make one, not sure right now, but we'll see what happens. But right now I think that I am ready to start my cash envelopes. Okay, so go ahead and stick with me, and then in a video or two you'll be able to see how I set them all up. Okay, well, I hope that you guys have a really good day. Sorry about the interruptions, but I hope that you have a good day. Bye.